Hi, this segment launches Phase 3, where detailed design brings your idea to the point where a prototype of some aspect of the system might be built and tested, although certainly not to the level of rigor that would be necessary for drawings to be approved or stamped as an engineered design ready for fabrication and use. In our profession, protection of the public is our highest calling. A big part of Phase 3 is how to make choices as we develop our detailed design. No matter what we're designing, there are many choices to make. Comparative assessment of our design choices is an ongoing part of design work, and so it helps to have a few key goal criteria in mind with respect to performance, durability, and cost. The constraints that emerge while developing parts of the system mean continual iteration, and care must be taken so that one person is working on something that doesn't interfere with what others are working on. In the case of a bicycle, the design choices all lead toward a particular design goal. Now, consider the design goals for three different styles of bike. A commuter bike has to be reasonably inexpensive and reliable in traffic. A mountain bike must be nimble on uneven ground and very durable. And a road bike must be fast by being low mass and designed for efficient pedaling. Materials, geometries, fabrication methods, and integration to combine features all contribute to the success of different designs. In each case, the key design intents for the design drive the decisions during design.